I know you guys are probably wanting me to film the garage door opener. Yeah. Here it is. The issue about this garage door is that it doesn't have the keypad slot or something like that, so you can unlock the door with it, not using a remote. But in this case, I have to use this. Alright. I know you guys want to see what type it is. So it is see that? It's a Craftsman. Yep. When I bring this door back down, there we go. I'm sorry, when I push this button, it will bring the door back down. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it.